I mean, how artsy is this shot right here? Gotta get a little stretching in here. Getting older, gotta stay limber. Even with the Hickory clubs. As you can probably hear, it's pretty windy out here. So we'll hit a couple of knockdown shots. The hickories are pretty easy to do that with. Not a ton of sole on them to get them up in the air. You really got to swing easy with these things. Especially with this, the niblick. Kind of like a wedge. Things like a knife. See, that's going absolutely nowhere. Switching to the mashy niblick. This thing's kind of like a modern day 9-iron or so. This thing can really actually fly in the air pretty well, but try to keep it down in the wind. Yeah, I don't hate that. The mashy's kind of the most versatile club in my bag, I'd say, out of the 5 or 6 clubs I carry. This one I had to super glue back together a little, but works. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. You can really feel it, like the reverberation in your hand, which is quite interesting compared to the modern equipment, at least. Oh, look at this, we got a nice Snell ball. Don't see those every day. Really just abbreviating the follow through. Don't need to swing hard by any means. That'll do. Just give you a little taste for this 2-iron here. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. You can see the glue on the shaft there. I mean, this thing's probably 8 millimeters thick on the sole. Really good for kind of punchy knockdowns. I mean, that's slicing off the planet. Hurt the hands too. This one's all cracked. Better. I find with these hickories you really can't forcibly hit it. You kind of got to let the club and the weight of it, it's a very different weight, let the club kind of do all the work. Just let it drop on the back of the ball. Hit this off the tee sometimes. Keep it low, run it out. Doesn't come off with a ton of spin. As you can see, the wind is absolutely whipping from left to right and into my earlobe. My left earlobe is freezing. Oh my God. Does not feel good when you skull one, I'll tell you that. All right, the big brassy. Gene Sarazen. Maybe it was made for him. It's a good club though. Give you a close up. Yeah, that's all wood with a little brass on the bottom. It's really a beautiful looking club, to be honest with you. It's just hitting it, that's the problem. Ugh. Timing is so key with these wooden clubs. Again, because the weight is so different. Definitely stays out of the wind though. That's a nice screamer. If you don't catch this thing right, you are toast. Again, really smooth. Let it fall onto the back of the ball. Look, I'm making it sound easy, but gotta get the reps in. Sure. Just a couple more for this warm up here. I don't get the people who need like 40 balls to warm up. Maybe I'm just getting older, but feels like let's just get loose. Let's see one or two decent ones fly. I'm ready to go. Maybe. Yeah, we'll kiss the rest of these balls goodbye here.